In this video, I will show you how to hide apps in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's 3 different methods I'm going to show you on how to hide apps. The first way to do this is once you're on your desktop, if you just right click onto a blank space on your desktop, and on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto View. That's going to bring up a submenu, and what you want to do, you're going to see an option which says show desktop icons. That should be ticked. Now, if you actually click this, it's actually going to hide all your apps from your desktop. To unhide, just simply repeat the process. Right click onto a blank space, hover over View, and on the submenu, click on show desktop icons, and they're going to reappear. Now, the second way to do this is what you can do is delete the app from your desktop. So if we take Discord as an example, what I'm going to do is just simply right click onto the app itself and then click onto delete. Now, what that's going to do is not actually delete the app fully, it's just going to delete the shortcut. So you'll see if I come down to my search box at the bottom and search for Discord, the app is still installed. All you're literally doing is deleting the shortcut from your desktop, so it effectively hides it. The third way to do this is if you find the app that you want to hide, again, what you want to do is right click onto the app itself. So for example, let's take Valorant. So give it a right click, and what you want to do is actually come and click onto properties. Now, once you're on the properties window, come up to the tabs at the top, click onto general, and from here you're going to see down at the bottom under attributes there is a box which says hidden. What you can do is simply tick the hidden box and click apply and OK. And you can see when I've closed that down, that's going to hide the app from the desktop. Now, if you want to make this reappear, all you need to do is come down to your search box at the bottom. In here, you want to type File Explorer and then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. Now, once you've got your File Explorer opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side, look for Desktop and give it a click. Then what you want to do is come up to the toolbar at the top, click onto the View button, and in here, you're going to see an option which says Show. If you hover over this, you're going to get a submenu come up, and there's an option there for hidden items, which is going to be unticked. Now, if you actually go ahead and select this, it's going to tick the box. And once you've clicked on View hidden items, you should now see it back on your desktop. So that is how to hide apps in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.